Hi, my name is Nancy Brown. I teach AP Language and Composition at Van Wert High School. My email address is n_brown at vwcs.net. AP Language and Composition is designed to enable students to write effectively and confidently across all curriculum once they reach the college level. It also teaches them to think critically, to read critically, to think analytically, and to communicate clearly in both writing and in speech. Students will study a variety of historical pieces, both speeches and essays and other written pieces, in order to analyze what is going on in the world at the time, what is driving the author to write this piece, and what effect is it having upon the immediate audience, and who is the audience of this piece. They also learn to write argument, not based upon emotion, but based upon fact, so that their argument becomes effective and is credible. In addition, students will do a compare contrast research paper, which also equips them for the college level to write research papers and to research effectively and coherently so that they can be successful not only in their college careers or tech school careers, but also in life in general, even beyond that. So AP Language is a very important class and really teaches very valuable skills. It's one of my favorite classes, and many students also say it's one of theirs. It's more challenging homework wise and writing assignment wise, but students often feel very good about what they've accomplished by the end of the year. Hopefully, students will enjoy this class as much as I do, and I look forward to seeing students in class this year.